Hello and welcome to Soros Sir classes. Today's tutorial name is Circular Flow of Income. This is part 2 of the tutorial. So if you want access to the earlier part, you can check in our website. In case of any query, contact us on this particular number. Now, in this we will do a diagrammatic representation taking two sectors. So the first is households and the second is firms. Okay, so these will be the two sectors. So it is a two sector model. If you want three sector, you can add government, four sector, any financial institution, etc. Now, household buy goods and services from the firms. So there is flow of goods and services from the firms to household. Okay, and from the household to firms flow land, labor, capital and entrepreneurship. Okay, so it will be labor, land, capital, or instead of writing all this, let me write flow of factors of production. Okay, now let me change the color. Now, since household are purchasing goods and services, they have to make a payment. So there is payment of goods and services, and since firms are hiring factors of production from household, firms need to make a payment. So payment made to factors of production. Now, two things to be noticed here is that first, the inner line, the inner arrows, flows, or the flows with green line indicate real flows. That means flow of goods, services, factors of production, etc. Okay, whereas the outer flows or the flow that are indicated by the yellow line indicate outer lines indicate money flow. See, outer line indicate money flow. All are payment flows representing payments. Okay, having said that, now there is an assumption made that the in the circular flow of income, that the total spending is the total amount that household spends and that equals the total amount that buyers of factor has to pay, that buyers of factors that which are the firms had to pay. So neither firms nor the households retain any income or keep any income with them, keep any part of income with them, or this can be rewritten as, this means that neither they are adding anything, that means there is no injection, nor they are taking something away from the model. So there is neither injection nor leakage. Okay, and if this assumption is maintained, then total spending will be equal to total income. Always. In case of circular flow of income, if this is maintained. I hope this tutorial on circular flow of income was helpful. If it was, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.